Hey everybody, Barry here again.
I'm gonna get all the bolts out of this cab and the bed. They look like they're just gonna fall right out. Yeah, I don't think so. But I'll try to get them out anyway. There's a bolt there. Up here, you can't see it, it's too dark. Another one back there somewhere.
Get the impact on and start hammering and see how much dust I can get in my hair. You're supposed to laugh there. And then after that's done, all I gotta do is lift the cab off, lift the bed. Oh, hang on, Cass is calling me, I'll be right back.
It's been 84 years.
I forgot I filmed an intro, so I was gonna be like, hey everybody, Barry here again. But I already did that. It's tomorrow now. I expect there to be rust. I didn't expect that much rust. Bolt came out. With a little bit of extra effort, all the bolts came out.
And out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only one twisted off.
Which is really good, because I don't think I've ever taken 6 bolts out complete. Everything here twists off. It's all rusted.
Like, look at, where are we at? This one. That one's gone pretty paper thin. That one. Wow, there's washer coming off that one. Oh yeah, here's the worst one. Yeah, look at that. That was like 1/8 of an inch thick, or probably more. And now it's like, it's got holes in it. Nothing is safe. Nothing is safe in Newfoundland. So, anyway, all the bolts are out. And from what I can see, the cab mounts don't look horrible. The cab mounts on the frame is what I'm referring to. They actually don't look horrible. I'll have a better look at these front ones. Looks like it may be a little bit thin, but a little bit of plating will do just fine there. Well, the cab is unbolted. Just, you know, harness stuff, all that fun, brake lines, all that can come off. I just wanted to get the underneath work done today. While I've got it up on the lift, I think I'm going to unbolt all the bed bolts so that when I'm ready, I can pull that off too and get at the bare frame. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's heavy. Up it comes. I think all I have to do now is unhook the harness from the tail lights, assuming the tailgate opens, and then I can lift the bed off. All the bolts came out. They didn't really fight me at all. Great. I think this lift kit has springs, which means they're probably on a bit of a more crazy arch. So I'm gonna have to take springs out of another truck, which I'm not happy about because those bolts don't look very nice. That's quite blurry, I apologize. iPhone. Yeah, and I also took that out, bolts out of this thing. I think there's a ground or something down there, but I'm not ready to take it off yet. So That goes back on. One cool thing about this, look, it's got a lot of tension to it, so it's the first time I've seen a Chevy like that. LS badge, I want to take that. Obvious reasons why. This 4x4 badge. I may need to get Cass to fire up the Cricket and make me a all-wheel drive badge. Cool. Tailgate's not in terrible shape. It's not perfect down here. I might beat that back into shape, or if I find another tailgate, I'll use it instead. Progress. Lots of progress. I guess now I can go unhook all the engine stuff. Just, you know, AC lines. Somebody already unhooked the AC environmentally conscious by the looks of that, so that's perfect. Brake lines, wiring. I already said all this stuff. Repeating myself. Fun.
Soon be ready to get the forklift and a strap and pull the cab and the bed off. The cab I don't care about. I don't care if it puts a big squat in the door. It doesn't matter. The pan I need to keep in good shape. So I'll be very careful with that one. I say good shape, but you know what I mean.
Oh, score. New power steering line on it. Worth every bit.
Well, this video has been probably a week in the making, but the cab and the bed are ready to come off.
My girls and I were up here. I forgot my phone at home, but I removed all the boring stuff, the harness, all that. Park brake cable is unhooked. All the body mount bolts, you saw that, it came off, no big deal. Everything in here is unhooked. And over here, I got that AC line off. This stuff here is all let go. Bed bolts are out. Tail light harnesses are all unplugged. So I'm going to see if this cab will lift off without any snagging. And hopefully it doesn't flip over, but we'll find out shortly. I think I should be able to just lower it down, probably push it back a little, and then put those pads in under the rockers, which are quite soft. But we're going to try it anyway.
Okay, we're ready. Never done it this way before. Hopefully it doesn't end poorly. That knock just frightened the life out of me. Well, it's up off the mounts. And it's hitting the frame. One side is. One side was hitting the frame, so we're going to fix that. That's good. Take two. We're clear. We're clear there. Good there. I think we're good there. I don't see anything touching. It worked. Yes.
I can't say I didn't expect it to work, but I didn't expect it to work that well. Wow. Now we can look at the frame and try not to get squished by a cab that falls off the lift. I don't think it will. It's sitting pretty on all four legs. Man, look how good this looks. Wow. Look, frame sticker. Never seen that before on a truck that I've bought. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good. And I will also, of course, be boxing the frame. A little bit freaky looking down there. But that's a double layer frame. So just a little bit of game plan. Everything from here back will stay as it is because bed mounts are there. Gas tank mounts are all there. Everything is fine. Assuming the single cab mounts are the same as this, which I'm really, really hoping they are, that'll be staying. I'll cut between here and shorten this up somewhere there. Well, I'll say between this torsion bar cross member and this cab mount back here, which that cab mount will get chopped off, but I'll be shortening that up anyway. Exciting. I don't have a 100% solid game plan on that yet. I got to do some sizing up. But hey, that's exciting. That is quite exciting. I got to look at something though. The back of the cab is going to be like right here. Of course. So do I use this cab mount and that one? Or do I use these two cab mounts, move all that forward, chop this off? That's a question. That is a question.
If anybody's done this before with a single cab short box converted from an extended cab short box, let me know, because I haven't quite looked at this yet. Everybody goes from long box to short box, but never changes cabs from what I saw on YouTube and Google and stuff. A little bit of advice would be awesome.
Other than that, we're doing really well today. This is great. This is great. I've got lots of room to just pull this frame out, pull the other sacrificial frame in, throw all that up at the scrapyard. Good. And I can get rid of that lift kit too. But it's actually nice and easy to work on with this as high as it is, so maybe I'll leave that just for now.
Leisure, I am not doing a single cab short box all-wheel drive with a 6-inch lift in it. Not a chance. Don't even bring it up, because I know you will.
Look at the ridiculous angle this drive shaft is on. Look at how the engine and transmission transfer case all sort of sit back on an angle like this. And then the drive shaft is on the complete opposite angle like that, so it's more like a V. Ugh, lift kits.
Now that I know the cab can come off free, I'm gonna save that for another day. But right now, I think I'm gonna take the bed off. I'll hook straps in 4 corners on those little tie-down hooks, grab the handy-dandy forklift, lift it up, bring it into the backyard, and put it on another frame just to put to one side so that I can store it while I'm doing this frame here.
So I'm just gonna gently lay the cab right back down where it belongs, pull that off. And by the magic of gravity, it is back where it belongs. Geez, the belt line is still absolutely perfect. It's funny, it just laid right back down on the mounts.
And I forgot my ratchet straps at home. How do you know when a video isn't scripted, start to finish? You run into stuff like that. Well, I've got a couple minutes left of my lunch break, and it's super windy, so I'll keep this short again.
My wife needs a steering box desperately for her Escalade. It's quite loose, and I don't feel like tightening up the sector shaft and all that junk. But this one here, as far as I can tell, is really good. It came out of that Escalade. So I'm going to unbolt it. I just cracked a couple of the bolts there, and they're coming loose. The idler arm bracket and all that, that actually looks relatively new. It's coming loose. I don't care about any of this stuff, but I'd rather just take it all in one shot if I can. Maybe I might just grab a bar and take off the inner tie rod there and leave all that junk on there. But yeah, let's pull this thing off.
Got to take advantage of every minute of daylight when it's coming on winter here.
Well, here we go. That wasn't too bad at all. Steering box is out, and I took the idler shaft, or whatever you want to call this, center link. There you go. Idler, pitman arm, all that stuff. And hopefully that's better than the one that's in it. And also, I just remembered, here's the front diff that I need for a Desperado. So I'm going to start taking a few bolts out of that too while I got a minute. One down here, up there, and then here, and right there. I think that's it. Besides the CV axles, which I have most of the bolts taken out anyway. Perfect. I forgot to bring a 15 with me, but I'll just get that tomorrow to get these couple bolts out in there. But hey, the diff is down, ready to go. I want this all-wheel drive diff because, as you can see, no actuator junk, no electrical, no messing around, just four-wheel burnouts.
Well, that's great. Got a couple parts for the Cadillac, a couple parts for Desperado. Good soup. Now, I already had an ending film before I realized I was going to do that, so enjoy 10 minutes ago, Barry, signing off. I think I'm all done today. Got cut kind of short. This weekend, when I have more time, I'm just on my lunch break right now, I will pull the cab and the bed off this frame and put it on another frame just to hold it, like I said, and then I'll be able to start shortening the frame. So that's pretty cool. That's going to be really exciting. I cannot wait to start. And Matt suggested I hammer test the frame first. In regular fashion, I'll probably do that last, but well, we'll see. But that's it for today. So thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks to my YouTube members, patrons, and subscribers. If you want to check out my Patreon, it's patreon.com/stationroadratrods. My YouTube members link is down here. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.